knew right away that he wanted to fly aerobatics. He had over 1,000 hours of flight time in his Giles 202. Flying competition like you see in front of you now since 2001. In fact, he was attempting to break the Guinness Book of World Records for maximum inverted flight spins, which currently stands at 81. He was 53 years old. Our hearts go out to his wife, Cherie, and his friends. Our performance today, which includes Mike Wiskus, are dedicating their performance in his honor. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Mike Wiskus in for just a little tease, ladies and gentlemen. You'll see him doing his full act here. He's just out for about a 3 or 4 minute routine to show you the capabilities of that beautiful Lucas Oil Kids Special biplane. You'll see biplane here. Way on top, way on the bottom. I'll talk to you about G-forces and that just a little bit later on, ladies and gentlemen. Performers in the United States today, right here at Speedfield. Look at the aileron stack rolls.